Ka pai. Kia kōrero tahi tāua, kia kōrero tahi tātou. Let us talk. So for this next exercise, what I want you to do is respond to the questions that I'm going to pose. Yes, I'm going to pose a couple of questions to you, and I want you to respond using the responses from the tohu kāwai, or from the symbol of personification. So I'm just going to ask, it's who, and I want you to respond from each rung. Okay, so here we go. Mā te reo tuakana and mā te reo teina. Don't worry, I'll probably say some things alongside you. So the first rung we have proper names, place names. Ne? So it's who, it's. Ko wai, ko. Second rung, I want you to respond with three people's names. So any name, any three names that you know. Okay? It's who, it's. Ko wai, ko. Ka pai. Third rung, personal pronouns. So it's me, it's you, it's him or her. Let's do that together. It's me, it's you, it's him or her. It's who, it's. Ka pai, mā te reo teina, ko wai, ko. Fourth rung, possession ne, possessive pronouns. So it's my mum, it's my dad, kei a koutou. It's who, it's. Ko wai, ko. And the last rung, it's a teacher, it's some teachers, it's the teacher, any noun starter. Here we go. It's who, it's. Ko wai, ko. Okay, now what I want you to do is pose the question to me. Or if you're learning with someone, I want you to pose the question to your mate. Ka pai? But if it's just you and I, ko tāua anake, then all good. Post the question to me and I will respond. So I'll give you the nod, you can post the question and I'll respond to you. Okay, te pai? Okay, here we go. It's Australia, it's America, it's Aotearoa. Ko Australia, ko Amerika, ko Aotearoa. It's Moanaroa, it's Rōpata, it's Robbie. Ko Moanaroa, ko Rōpata, ko Robbie. It's me, it's you, it's him or her. Ko au, ko koe, ko ia. It's my teacher, it's your teacher, it's his teacher. Ko taku kaiako, ko tāu kaiako, ko tana kaiako. It's a teacher, it's the teacher, it's that teacher. Ko tētahi kaiako, ko te kaiako, ko taua kaiako. Awesome. Tēnā koe, tēnā koutou. Thank you all. So now that we're through the reciting stuff, we're going to take a look at language reciprocation, or tauiho. Here we have the tauiho. So on the first rung we have the expression of tauiho. So here's an example. We're going to use a person's name, and we usually use mere, Mary, ne? So Mary, mere. Anyway, so I'm going to run through tauiho or language reciprocation, mā te reo tuakana by way of the older voice. Then I'll give you an example, mā te reo teina by way of the younger voice. If you're still kind of, trying to grasp these concepts, I'm just going to remind you now, it's only the first night, and it will take you a couple of weeks to get your head around the method and things like that. And not only that, we will be workshopping it a lot in the Facebook group, so just hold on. Hold on. Okay, so here we go. The first one is expression, ne? So the intonation of my voice. So here's an example using mere or a person's name. So we have it's mere. Is it mere? Okay, so that's just in my expression. It's mere. Is it mere? Then we have making a statement. It's mere. Ne? So you're just making a statement. Then we have the question. It's who? Then you're responding to a question. It's mere. Then you either agree, yes, it's mere, or you disagree, or you're debating that. No, it's someone else, or it isn't mere, or it's actually with another name. Okay, so I'll give you a full example of that so that you can see and hear it. Here we go. It's mere. Is it mere? It's mere. It's who? It's mere. Yes, it's mere. No, it's Jim. It isn't mere. It's actually Jim. Ka pai? Yes, pretty funny when you say it for the first time. You should see my classes when they're learning it for the first time. So I'll give that another go, and I just want you to have a listen. So just have a listen, have a read, and maybe even say it with me if you want to. Here we go. It's mere. Is it mere? It's mere. It's who? It's mere. Yes, it's mere. No, it's Jim. It isn't mere. It's actually Jim. Hapai? Okay, what that sounds like mā te reo teina, or the younger voice, or te reo Māori, is simply this. Ko mere. Ko mere. Ko mere. Ko wai. Ko mere. Ai ko mere. Kau ko Jim. E hara ia mere. Ko Jim ke. Get the gist? So I'll give you another example running through mā te reo tuakana, then straight into te reo teina. Here we go. It's mere. Is it mere? It's mere. It's who? It's mere. Yes, it's mere. No, it's Jim. It isn't mere. It's actually Jim. Ko mere. Ko mere. Ko mere. Ko wai. Ko mere. Ai ko mere. Kau ko Jim. E hara ia mere. Ko Jim ke. Okay, e hoama. So just to add on to that and to really blow your minds, where I'm saying mere, don't forget that you can actually insert the tohu kāwai in every response that we've touched on previously. So we've got proper names, place names, people's names, personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, and noun starters. There are so many applications, but just remember there is only one question. It's who. What I want you to consider is that ko wai, or it's who, does not reside in this video or in any book that you read, but it is everywhere you pretty much look, everywhere that you are, every day, every person that you're looking at. It's who? It's my son, it's my daughter, it's my boss, oh, it's Jim, it's Sarah, who I have coffee with every week, it's whoever. That one question can be answered in so many ways. If you do look at the tohukawa and you look at the applications of those rungs, like the first rung, how many countries or how many place names are there? There are so many. It's who, it's Otepoti, it's Dunedin, it's New Zealand, it's Australia. There are so many applications to it's who. Everything that you're looking at is pretty much why language. So without going off into too many tangents, one core comment, why? One core question, it's who? And a whole lot of responses. Okay, so if you need to, just keep replaying this video, keep checking it out. Throughout the week, I will be in the Facebook group. I will be going live to give you some real life examples, to get some real live engagement, because I know that's what's going to motivate you and help you to acquire te reo, I guess not a lot quicker, but a lot better and a lot easier. And it is about on sharing that kind of mātauranga. So if you can, get in the Facebook, pose questions. After this video drops, I want you to jump back into the Facebook group as I will be going live again. So jump back into the Facebook group, and I want you to have some questions ready for me so that I can answer them myself, oropata. So I hope you enjoyed your week 1 with Moanaroa, week 1 with Tākina. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.